Yeah, I did. Listen closely. Hey, it's Evan with Keep It Moving Outdoors.
Okay, you said Evan.
Hey, it's Evan with Keep It Moving Outdoors. Today, my three boys, Theodore, Howie, and Walt, are heading to the woods. We're going to be building some train tracks, making some farms, and camping overnight. It's going to be a lot of fun. You guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Let me know if we lose anything.
Didn't lose anything yet.
Here, how about you grab a handle? I'll grab a handle. Okay, we're going to go up and over right here. Let's go straight because these might have some prickers in them. Right here, see this area?
Yeah.
Now this whole area right here, clean it all up, all the pine cones, all the sticks, so it's nice and flat.
That tent is so heavy.
It is really heavy, isn't it?
Yeah, well, can I have my skip order back? No. Can you go away from me?
Let's get setting up some train tracks. Where should we put a bridge?
You can put a bridge, but why is it bumpy?
Ground's bumpy.
Hey, Peter, get something.
All right, we need to find a spot for a tent. This isn't the worst, but it's not super flat. It's a little flatter here, but we got some tree removal to do. That works. We're gonna set the tent over here. Check in on the train track. How's it going over here, guys? Wow. You guys are doing a good job. That's working pretty good. You can go down the hill, you get a runaway train.
Coming down the line. This tracks is almost complete, but there's been a train derailment. You come through this tunnel, and there's this curve right in front of the tunnel. And my train's been stuck in the wind. It didn't flip over.
We gotta go check on the train track over here. They're pretty excited about it. Wow, guys. Oh no, that hill's a little bit of a trouble with that curve right on there. It's looking good, guys. Hello, camp monster. Peekaboo. Coming out of your cocoon.
Why is there water in here?
The drink, but I accidentally put a hole in it with a hatchet.
Why?
Oh. Should I take a drink?
Yeah. Oh, it's leaking.
Oh, the paper went through and I drank it. That must have been plugging it up because now it's just pouring out.
Find something that's big enough to just stop the leak.
You want to plug up the hole?
Where?
Right there.
Where? That won't be able to work.
No?
Well, that's like this.
You want to try a pine cone?
How about you just keep it like sideways?
That's a good idea, actually.
No.
Just try to keep it just sideways for now.
Set it down like that.
Yeah.
There. Look at that. 8-year-old smarter than me. Go figure. Thanks, Howie. I can help.
Oh. Why?
There.
Because of an accident.
These wooden train tracks are so cool. They've had these things forever. They can play with these things for hours and hours. Perfect. Well, even though we had a ton of rain, there's no shortage of dry firewood in this area here. Hot dog for the kids. Smoked cheddar bratwurst for Dad. All right, pull your stick back. Okay, you don't want any ketchup?
Nope.
Okay, Howie, should we check yours?
Nah, put back.
Oh, you guys having fun?
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't get much better than this.
Dad, Mom's here.
All right, hi, honey. Hi. Look at that, sun shining through, and here you come. It just proves you're the sunshine of my life.
You know what you should do? You should take a marshmallow and a piece of chocolate and put it between the cookies.
Oh, I bet that'd be good.
Look at that cute little baby fire.
Well, we didn't want anything too big. What do you think, honey?
Looks fine, honey. It's pretty back here.
It is. Yeah, we found the perfect spot. But you decided we're not going to do farm equipment.
Oh, okay. Just
What do you mean?
trains.
Oh, we can. I'm just waiting for like some like farm
Oh.
Why don't I?
We'll get you
All
tucked
right,
in
good
here.
night, you guys. I love you. Sweet dreams.
I'm just gonna do farm.
Well, this is not cool.
Oh, do lava. Go to lava.
No.
Everybody say good night. Good night.
Good night.
We'll see you in the morning.
See you in the morning.
You guys sleep good? Yeah. Good. Well, I'm glad you guys did. I did not. I'm gonna go get my shoes on. We're gonna get some coffee going. Well, good morning. That was Walt's first time sleeping in a tent through the night. That was kind of nice. Have all three of us in there, or four of us.
Yay. It's like a bone. Yeah. Oh. And try again. Your leg's boned right there.
It isn't. Not.
Tomorrow is Monday and you guys got school. Oh, it's right there? Is that inside or outside, Howie?
Outside. It's in the middle.
They're on a spider killing mission, but it's stuck in the middle. Well, last night went pretty well. Theodore woke up and go to the bathroom, stepped on his brother's foot. Of course, when he stepped on his foot, he woke up, and then he woke up the other one. Everybody was up, everybody had to go to the bathroom. I slept about as good as a dad does during camping. Other than that, we did pretty good. Going for the munchies right away? Yeah, you like those? All right, all we do is dump coffee in there. And we get a stick and we stir it up.
It kind of looks like hot chocolate.
It does. I should have brought some hot chocolate for you guys. Yeah, we let that sit for about a couple minutes. I didn't plan breakfast for this morning. We got stuff that we got to be doing. We're not too far from the house. We're just gonna get some things picked up. We'll head back. Next time we'll have to do some breakfast. Not this time. Just push this down. There. There you have it. I forgot a cup to put it in, so I'm gonna have to drink it right out of here.
Push him right into the boat and he'll go flying. And go. Ah!
Look at Eddie. Eddie's falling. Oh, no, he's falling. Because I told you could buy my phone.
Was it?
I'm gonna run the boys back to the house since it's not too far away, and then I'm gonna come back later and clean up clean everything else up. It'll just be easier that way. All right, you guys ready? Oh, we're in here. Did you miss Mama? Well, that was nice. My wife already had breakfast made up for us, so quick got that eaten. And now I'm gonna head back and finish packing up. I really wanted to do the train tracks out in the woods because they love playing with those things so much. So I thought, well, what about playing with them in the woods? And I kind of knew of this area because of all the pine trees. It'd be not a lot of grass. And yeah, that worked out really well. We hardly had to pick up any sticks, pick up some pine cones. They did most of the work. Nice flat spot over here for the, well, somewhat flat spot for the tent. It was a little bit of an uphill, and they were sliding back down a little bit at night in their sleeping bags, and I was too, but they did pretty good. Kind of proud of them. Well, that's gonna be it. Thanks for watching. Keep it moving outdoors. If you like this, please go to the channel and like and subscribe. We're gonna have a lot more to come here, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.